How to sing with friends on Smule app. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can sing with your friends on Smule app. Start by opening your Google Play Store. From the Google Play Store, make sure you have installed the latest version of Smule application. Open your Smule app and log into your account either from Facebook, Google, or sign up to a new account. Now, to add somebody, you need to have your own friends. So go on your profile and see if you have friends or not. If you don't have friends, you need to go on the message icon on the top right side. Tap on the plus section and tap on find friends. If you do this, you can simply invite the friends from here. Since I've connected my Facebook, it will also show me the Facebook people that are in Smule and also my contact people that are in Smule. I can invite them through this link and ask them to join the Smule as well. And after inviting them and following them, we can sing a duo together by just tapping on the songs and doing a collab. So yes, that's how you can do that, but you need to have some friends on your profile for that. If you don't have, then you should add some friends. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.